Visualization softwares. Visualization software helps users to create visual representations of data in the form of charts, graphs to understand trends and patterns within data sets. Example, GeoGebra and Desmos. GeoGebra is a powerful tool for interactive geometry, algebra, statistics, and calculus. It allows dynamic visualization of mathematical concepts, making abstract topics tangible.
Welcome everyone. Today I am going to show you how to represent 8 octants using GeoGebra 3D calculator. Let's start by opening the app. Here is the 3D calculator opened. This is the graph where we're going to do some work. Let's first sign in by opening the 3 button menu and clicking on the sign in button. I'm going to sign in and then come back to the video. So we are back to the video. This is the graph of 8 octants where we have read this in class 11th in the chapter Introduction to 3D Geometry. These are the graph. Here's the first octant, second octant, third octant, fourth, fifth, and so on, and the other octants. Now these are the basic tools: edits, points, lines, polygons, solid figures, etc. There are bunch of figures which you can use. I'm going to showcase a cube in this graph. I have selected the solid cube and then tapped on the any two coordinates, and then you can click the arrow button so that you can move the graph. Here's the graph and here's the cube. The cube is represented on the first octant. I have erased the cube so that I could represent it properly and clicked the origin and the 2 on x-axis or y-axis. This is the cube, and there's bunch of other options which you can use and do other things. Here's a small feature where you can just scroll the graph, which will move left or right depending on your motion. And there are bunch of options which you can use and draw and represent any imaginary figure which you are imagined of what you have represented on the graph, on the 3D graph. You can duplicate, delete, and other settings. You can also move back what you have done, or by mistake you have to delete it, you can be back to this. Also, you could now able to save what you have done. It would save only if you have signed in. You could name anything. Here I have named demo and it's saving. It will save to your device. Save successfully. Now we could explore or export the settings, export the files to wherever you want. There are a bunch of other settings. You can open it, you can save, you can edit, you can sign out also if you disagree with it. And that's it. Now you can just go on, hop in and use the 3D calculator GeoGebra. You can also use for prepare exams and other things. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.